Hi, guys, welcome to video Chris Evans Pit Hit and Flops Movies Info List. Last start interesting video. Not Another Teen. IMDb $5.866 million hit. The Perfect Score. IMDb $5.710 million flop. Cellular. IMDb $6.557 million average. London. IMDb $6.32 million flop. Fantastic Four. IMDb $5.7333 million blockbuster. Rise of the Silver Surfer. IMDb $5.6301 million super hit. Sunshine. IMDb $7.238 million flop. The Nanny Diaries. IMDb $6.247 million semi-hit. Street Kings. IMDb $6.866 million semi-hit. The Loss of a Teardrop Diamond. IMDb $5.825 million average. Push. IMDb $6.148 million average. The Losers. IMDb $6.229 million flop. Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. IMDb $7.651 million flop. Puncture. IMDb $6.88.6 million flop. What's Your Number? IMDb $630 million average. The First Avenger. IMDb $6.9370 million super hit. The Avengers. IMDb $1.52 billion ATB. The Iceman. IMDb $6.84 million flop. Snowpiercer. IMDb $7.186 million hit. The Winter Soldier. IMDb $7.7714 million blockbuster. Before We Go. IMDb $6.8 flop. Playing It Cool. IMDb $5.91.3 million flop. Age of Ultron. IMDb $7.31.40 billion ATB. Civil War. IMDb $7.81.15 billion ATB. Gifted. IMDb $7.643 million average. Infinity War. IMDb $8.42.05 billion ATB. Endgame. IMDb $8.42.79 billion ATB. The Red Sea Diving Resort. IMDb 6.6 not applicable OTT. The Gray Man. IMDb $6.5454 million OTT. Ghosted. IMDb 5.8 not applicable OTT. Rain Hustlers. IMDb 6.6 not applicable OTT. Wolverine. IMDb $7.81.33 billion ATB. Red One. IMDb $6.989 million super hit. Next video coming soon. Channel subscribe.